Welcome to the final edition of the Tirupati Travel Series. Today, we are heading comfortable seating, on-board meals and modern amenities. A perfect way to conclude the journey with speed, comfort and scenic views of Andhra Pradesh. This design ensures quicker reversals, improved efficiency, and seamless operations at terminal stations. After the train arrives and undergoes a thorough cleaning by the on-board housekeeping team, the doors are opened for boarding, ensuring passengers step into a fresh and hygienic environment. Every coach is carefully sanitized, with special attention to seating areas, restrooms, and common touchpoints. This commitment to cleanliness and passenger comfort reflects Indian Railways' focus on world-class travel standards. With everything spotless and ready, the Vande Bharat Express stands gleaming, ready to welcome its next set of travelers to Hyderabad. The Vande Bharat Express 20702 departs Tirupati at 15:15 sharp, maintaining its hallmark punctuality. Equipped with comfortable reclining seats, automatic doors, large panoramic windows, and on-board catering, it offers a premium travel experience. Each coach is fully air-conditioned with modern infotainment screens and bi-vacuum toilets for added convenience. The train is capable of running at speeds up to 130 km per hour, ensuring a smooth and time-efficient journey. With attentive staff and top-notch amenities, the ride from Tirupati to Hyderabad is both luxurious and efficient. The Vande Bharat Express 20702 from Tirupati to Hyderabad consists of 8 coaches in total. It includes 1 executive chair car and 7 chair cars. The executive chair car offers 52 spacious seats, while each chair car provides 78 comfortable seats, totaling 598 seats. The executive coach is positioned next to the driver's cabin, offering premium comfort and panoramic front views. Each seat in the Vande Bharat Express is ergonomically designed with ample legroom, a foldable tray, and individual charging ports. Passengers are served complimentary snacks, tea, and meals depending on the journey duration and class of travel. The coaches are fully air-conditioned, with automatic climate control systems ensuring consistent comfort throughout the trip. The train departs from Tirupati at 15:15, making scheduled halts at Renigunta, Nellore, Ongole, Guntur, and Nalgonda before reaching Secunderabad at 22:55. Covering a distance of 636 kilometers in approximately 7 hours and 40 minutes, it offers a fast, comfortable, and seamless journey across Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. As we look out from the window, the journey remains pleasant, fast, and scenic, passing through bustling towns and quiet countryside alike. Along the route from Tirupati to Secunderabad, the train glides past several smaller stations such as Sri Kalhasti, Gudur, Kavali, Singaraikonda, Chirala, Tenali, Pidugurala, and Miryalaguda, where it does not halt. These brief glimpses of local life and rural landscapes add charm to the high-speed ride. Despite crossing multiple busy junctions, the train enjoys top priority on the tracks, ensuring smooth passage ahead of other express and passenger services. With minimal noise, gentle acceleration, and uninterrupted flow, it truly offers a premium and seamless travel experience across two vibrant states. As we see outside, the tracks stretch gracefully across vast fields, hills, and small towns, creating a mesmerizing travel experience. The rails glide smoothly, reflecting the precision and strength of India's modern railway engineering. Every curve and bridge along the route adds to the beauty and thrill of high-speed travel. Passing through green landscapes, rivers, and sunlit plains, the journey feels both peaceful and dynamic. It's a true celebration of India's evolving rail infrastructure, blending speed, comfort, and scenic charm into one unforgettable ride. We come across Gudur Junction, one of the key railway intersections in Andhra Pradesh. It serves as a vital link connecting the Chennai-Dhavra and Chennai-Delhi main lines, making it an important hub for both passenger and freight movement across southern India. Inside the coach, the digital display screens show real-time updates of the next station, remaining distance, and current speed. These dynamic displays keep passengers well-informed and engaged throughout the journey. The train makes a brief halt at the next station for a few minutes, allowing passengers to board and alight safely. Its automatic sliding doors open only after a complete stop, ensuring maximum safety and convenience. Once the signal is cleared, the doors close automatically, and the train resumes its smooth, punctual journey. The train arrives at Nellore at 16:43 and halts for about 2 minutes before resuming its journey. Nellore is an important city in Andhra Pradesh, known for its rich agricultural base and aquaculture industries. It lies along the banks of the Penna River and serves as a key junction on the Chennai-Vijayawada railway route. The brief stop here highlights the city's strategic and economic significance in the region. It crosses the majestic Penna River, offering a breathtaking view from the windows. The wide riverbed and calm waters create a serene landscape, especially during sunset hours. Bridges over the Penna stand as engineering marvels, connecting vital regions of Andhra Pradesh. This crossing adds a memorable scenic highlight to the journey between Tirupati and Secunderabad.
भारतीय रेल नेल्लूर स्टेशन से आने वाले सभी यात्रियों का स्वागत करती है। Indian Railways welcomes all passengers boarding from Nellore station. शून्य 2-7-7-8 पर संपर्क करें। आपकी सुविधा हमारी प्राथमिकता है। आपके ध्यान देने के लिए धन्यवाद। Dear passengers, if you encounter any issues with the air conditioning, lighting, or mobile charging sockets in your respective coach,
as we glide along the tracks, another train rushes past on the adjacent line, creating a thrilling moment of motion and power. The speed of our train effortlessly surpasses it, showcasing the precision and strength of modern rail travel. The sight of two trains crossing at such high velocity is truly majestic and captivating. It's a reminder of the efficiency and progress driving India's railway network forward.
Passengers may avail the services kindly. Wi-Fi provided on board can be used to browse only the content which is preloaded in the infotainment system. Passengers may kindly note that on-board Wi-Fi system is not meant for connecting to the internet.
Inside the coach, the atmosphere is filled with warmth and cheerful energy as families settle into the journey. Parents relax comfortably in their seats, sharing snacks and stories while enjoying the smooth ride. Children play with toys, giggling as they watch the world speed by through the large windows. The soft hum of the train and the gentle sway of the coach create a calm yet joyful ambience. Announcements and background music add to the modern travel vibe, keeping everyone engaged. It's a beautiful blend of comfort, laughter, and togetherness, a perfect family travel experience on rails. From the window, we catch glimpses of other trains gliding past on parallel tracks, their colors and motion adding life to the journey. Freight and express trains alike create a dynamic panorama of India's rail network in action. Each passing sight reflects the rhythm, scale, and connectivity that define the nation's railway heritage.
The
train arrives at Guntur Junction at 19:48 and halts for about 2 minutes before proceeding toward Nalgonda. Guntur is one of Andhra Pradesh's major cities, known for its chili markets, rich agriculture, and educational institutions. It serves as a key railway and commercial hub, connecting the coastal and inland regions of the state. The city's vibrant culture and trade significance make it an important stop along the route. train's cabin features a modern driver console with advanced control systems ensuring precision and safety. Its automated air conditioning units maintain optimal temperature throughout the journey for maximum passenger comfort. The train arrives at Nalgonda at 21:54 with a brief 2-minute halt before heading towards Secunderabad. Nalgonda is a historic town in Telangana, known for its ancient forts, temples, and growing industrial significance. With modern heated ovens and storage units to ensure fresh, hygienically prepared meals are served throughout the journey. Finally, we arrive at Secunderabad Junction at 22:55, marking a smooth and punctual end to our journey. Thank you for your continued support.